Good morning. Today you have a speaking test.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, now tell me, what is your name?
My name is Tiến Minh.
My name is Phương Nhi. Right, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
And you?
I'm 10 years old too.
Good. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 5A4.
I'm in class 5A4 too. Now, let's talk about jobs. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I will make an example with Ming. What would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a chef.
Now you will have 2 minutes to ask and answer each other, and each of you will ask 2 questions.
Okay.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a teacher.
Why do people work?
They work for nations.
Now it's Phương Nhi's turn. Ask Ming.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a pilot.
Why do people work?
Good question.
They work for money.
Now let's talk about weather. Keep going, Min. Ask.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What do people do when it's hot?
They go to the beach.
Now it's Phương Nhi's turn. Ask Ming. What do people do when there is a thunderstorm?
They stay inside.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
That is the end.
Thank you, teacher.